In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Play on Windows. What we're doing here is adding the Google Play website to your Windows computer as an app using your browser. This is a quick and simple method that gives the site its own separate window, so it feels more like a dedicated application instead of just another browser tab. One important thing to keep in mind is that this does not guarantee every Google Play feature or every app will work on Windows, but it's still a useful way to access the site more conveniently. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Play website. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on. If the site takes a moment to appear, just give it a few seconds so everything is ready. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens your browser's main options panel. From there, look for the section labeled More Tools. Depending on your browser version, the wording may look slightly different, but it should be very close to that. After you open More Tools, select Apps. In that submenu, choose the option that says Install this site as an app. This tells the browser to create a standalone app version of the website on your Windows system. It's a handy option when you want faster access to a site you use often, and it can also make the experience feel a bit cleaner and more organized. As soon as you click that option, a small confirmation window should appear. In that window, press Install. Your browser will then begin setting up the Google Play site as an app on your computer. This usually only takes a few moments. Once the installation finishes, the site may open in its own window automatically. If it does, that means the process worked. From then on, you can usually find it through your Start menu or desktop, depending on how your browser handles installed web apps. Just remember that while the Google Play site can be installed this way, some apps are not able to install or run on Windows. So if something doesn't work exactly like it would on an Android device, that is normal. This method is mainly for easier access to the Google Play website itself. And that's it. You've now installed Google Play on Windows as an app-like shortcut, making it easier to open and use whenever you need it.